6, ICOM 756, and original microphone. Pushing about 500 whiskies into 3-element cubicle quad, actually. QSL?
Oh, QSL, Mr. Thino, 100% QSL. Very congratulations. Very, very strong radio, very strong signal on my site. Very surprised to copy your station. I have a friend in Tenerife Island, Mr. Michel, 34 Lima Alpha 937 in Tenerife. And I listen many stations in your site. In another island in Tenerife. Very congratulations. Okay, I give you information about weather condition. We have today a little cloudy sky with a little sunny passage, approximately 15 degrees on my side, and a little wind, approximately 50 kilometers south direction. Okay, this is information about weather condition. Over.
45 Alpha Tango 1.
Yeah, QSL. Thank you for the weather conditions. I don't want to frustrate you at least, but we had a nice day on the Canary Islands here as usual. So it's around 27, 28 degrees. I don't see any serious clouds around. So it's a nice after summer day here on the Canary Islands. Actually, I guess the next few days will be the same. The last days I was in Germany for about 14 days. Original, I'm German. So I got my influenza, I got my cold from there up to here. It's very strange to have a cold here in 27 to 28 degrees. QSL?
Okay, 100% QSL. You live in Germany, it's correct? Or you are on holiday this moment in Fuentaventura Island, Canarias Island?
No, I do live here since 15 years on this Canary Island. Not really. I've got to stay on in Mallorca around three years. But actually, I'm living more or less 15 years now here in the Canaries. Original, I am from German, but I only visit one time a year maximum.
Ah, ich kenne einige Wörter in Deutsch.
Ja, cool. Wir können natürlich auch Deutsch sprechen, das ist richtig.
Okay, dear friend, 100%. You live in Canaria since 15 years, it's correct?
No, it's around 15 years now. 15 years. I do live from outside Germany. Outside Germany, 15 years. I got to stay over 3 years around in Mallorca, and the rest of the time I was mostly here.
Okay. Very good. And for information, dear friend, what is your geographic point? You live in the mountains or border Atlantic Sea? I don't know what is with precision Fuentaventura Island. Yes, in Canaria, but I have no information with precision.
Don't worry. Well, I don't live directly on the seaside. I'm around on the capital. It's called Puerto del Rosario. It's a capital island on Fuentaventura. And I live about 1-2 kilometers apart of this capital city. At least it's not a big city. At least it's it's a great island, but we don't have a lot of people over here. At least, so I do have around 3 kilometers from Atlantic Coast. QSL?
Okay, QSL, 100% QSL. Oh, thank you very much. Very interesting information for me, dear friend. And this moment, what is the propagation quality? You listen you listen a station all over the world this moment, or you are a precise direction?
Well, I only can say why my experience is that the last few years, I would like to say this is a wonderful place for radio. radio operation. At least propagation quite open in the morning and until the late afternoon. It's almost open to Europe and even in the evening. And every direction is more open or not. In the afternoon then starts South America, and in the night you can do easily long paths to Australia and New Zealand. So I guess it's a kind of paradise for our hobby, you know?
Okay. Okay, very nice. Okay, I practice principally DX in portable because it's impossible for me to install fixed station, and it's very pleasant to practice DXing in the nature. Germany is situated approximately at 100 kilometers from my site, okay? And I go in Germany on holidays in July. Okay, very pleasant to go in your origin country. Over.
Maybe it depends. It's your own. I don't join very often to Germany, so there are several reasons I left it. I do live live and love here on the Canary Islands. I have to work. I'm not that old. I have to stop work, or I'm able to stop work. I still have to work, and I enjoy my time here. It's really relaxed. QSL?
Yes, QSL, dear friend. Excuse me, repeat you call sign, dear friend?
No problem. My call sign is 34 Romeo Foxtrot 01. 34 Romeo Foxtrot 01.
Okay, thank you so much, dear friend. 100%. If you want information about my station, I catch this QSO with my smartphone in the nature, in Pine Forest, okay, in Vosges Mountains, only 600 meters above sea level today. Impossible for me to go on the top of the Vosges Mountains because I work today, okay? If you want information, go on my YouTube website and select my indicative 14 Foxtrot Delta X-ray 088, and you can see your station, your modulation, BBC quality, and my site in the nature. Over, mister?
Yeah, would you like to give me your call sign once again? It was 14, and then I missed it. I'm sorry, I'm an old man. 14 and 088, that's all I got.
Okay, Foxtrot Delta X-ray 14 Foxtrot Delta X-ray 088 on YouTube. Over.
I've got it. 14 FTX 088. Okay, I've got it. I take a look on. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Oh man, I have to let you go because I have to go away from this device now for a few minutes. Really enjoyed the QSO. Hope you're well on your side. And pretty sure we hear it again. Enjoy the hobby outside until it's maybe winter and you're not able to. So my best greetings here from 34 Radio Fox 01, Canary Island, Kilo 73.
Okay, my friend Thino, 100% QSL. Okay, ich danke Ihnen vielmals für ein sehr genussreiches QSO. Okay, es war eine große Freude, Sie zu treffen, mein Freund. Okay, ich wünsche Ihnen gute Gesundheit und Erfolg. Und ich wünsche Ihnen viel Glück und viel DX. Okay, ich hoffe, Sie bald zu treffen. Und wann immer Sie mich auf dem Band hören, bitte rufen Sie mich an. Und bitte mitteilen Sie meine besten Grüße an Ihre Familie. Okay, tschüss, mein Freund.
Ja, auch hier vielen Dank. Vielen Dank für das nette QSO. Hat mich sehr gefreut. 73. Ciao, ciao.
frequency is busy. It's good signal.
Okay, my friend. Bye bye. Tschüss. Thank you so much, my friend. Bye bye.
Propagation, don't like it a lot because only
Voilà, petit contact avec
and disappear Brazil
notre ami
approximately.
sur les Canaries, Fuentaventura. Bon, c'est toujours sympa de faire les Canaries. Voilà. My friend Thino, if you listen this video, this is my installation with my dipole homemade this weekend, Sunday. Okay, I tested this antenna today. I am in the nature, Vosges Mountain, 600 meters in pine forest. Okay, this is my equipment. President Washington, little lithium battery. Okay, approximately 15 degrees. I hope to go in Canary Island in the end of November. Okay, to salute my friend Mr. Michel, 34 Lima Alpha 937 in Tenerife. I hope to go on holidays with my DX materials, portable materials. Bye bye, my friend. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen. Bye bye.